Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is finally here. I've been saying it since the first video, the Saddlemen seat. We could have got one off of Amazon, just plain black, or they have a couple color options, but we wanted to go our own style. So we called Saddlemen themselves and was able to get them to do it the way you want it, basically. Without further ado, let's open it up. Take a look. I didn't want to go too crazy on the colors because the bike is colorful already. Show you guys. A lot of the guys do the red stitching. To me, I don't know. I just don't like it. No offense to anybody that's done it. But to me, it's too much for that bike. Too much going on. So we should have got also a Saddlemen soft washer just to protect the paint when we do get this installed, hopefully today. Let's get this out and take a first look. All black, black on black stitching. The only thing we did was the red Saddlemen script on the side. I'll give you guys a better look. Let's get this thing open. So yes, finally. And they included the washer, beautiful. Was looking for that. You could see it should hopefully lock right in. It's gonna take some adjustment. This is the extended reach just because I'm 6'1", and I'll show you guys how I sit on the bike now compared to how I'll sit on this. This is the Saddlemen Profiler extended reach. Like I said, just a clean script in red on the side, all black. This is gonna look beautiful on the bike. Big shout out to Saddlemen themselves. It took longer than I expected, but every step of the way, they sent me an email and let me know the next step was done and what was happening. So I couldn't be happier with the service over there at Saddlemen. And I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but they did a great job, honestly, with the communication. You can see the stitching is almost perfect, all double stitched. I mean, this thing is, you can tell was hand built. Just beautiful leather. I can't wait to get it on. I did get the extra gel insert. You can feel it. I also added it for the passenger. I believe it takes 500 miles to break it in. So we're at about 300 now. Let's get this on and hopefully get some miles on soon. Let's take it to the garage. See what it actually takes to get it installed. I can't wait. We also picked up some acorn nuts and a seat bolt from Harley Davidson. They're both chrome. If any of this shows, I don't want to use it. I want to stick with the black. So we got a Yamazicha seat nut kit from Amazon. Just all black. Comes with a nice tab. We'll see what we're gonna need. Maybe we can keep the stock one. Maybe not. Let's get out there and get this thing installed once and for all. We're here in the garage. As you can see, we have the bike. We don't have much room in the garage, as you can see as well. Kind of hard to work in here with all the vehicles. So we picked up the Supreme Coleman table and chair set. I love it. Incorporate some Supreme into the garage. This is pretty much it. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace, but you can pick it up on StockX. I'll tag the link in the description. Very cool. This will be what we'll work off of, so we don't have to put our parts on the floor. Let's get it open and set up and get this seat thing started, finally. And just so you guys know, I'm not very mechanically inclined. I don't do my own oil changes on the vehicles, none of that. So this will be interesting. I think we can handle it. Let's see what it takes and get this thing installed once and for all. We don't have any big snap-on tool set or anything like that. So we picked up the Cruise Tools Road Tech H3 toolkit for Harley Davidson motorcycles. Should give us everything we need to get the job done. If you want to try to do it yourself, you're more than welcome. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description like I always do. And if you guys want to pick it up to do some work on your machine, this is it. The Coleman Supreme table and chair setup. Kind of opened it halfway. Just make it easier. Check it out. That's what we need. We can kind of see it has 2 buttons on top. Just push the buttons, it opens up, and you have your 2 chairs. Nice and strapped in. Has the legs for you to open up the table, which it looks like we're gonna have to remove the strap to do that. And the chairs. So the chairs just open up easy enough. Have a cool little bench. It's not the tallest thing in the world, but if you're just taking it out somewhere to an event, it's good to have. Then we can simply open the table, which hopefully is taller than the chairs. Let's remove this other one. Get that set up. Pretty simple and easy to set up. Very cool looking. Now we can finally open our table. Get it in position. Make sure you're locked down. Light enough. And you have yourself a nice little domino table, a work table. Today we'll be using it as a work table. So this is the Cruise Tools kit. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it really consists of. I mean, it kind of tells you in the back. Should do the job. I looked for a red one, but they didn't have it, so blue it is. Pretty cool setup. Everything nice and neat and organized the way we like it. We're definitely gonna need some of these Allen wrenches. Have our Saddlemen seat. We have our washer. I'm gonna take that off. Comes with a cool little sticker pack. And this washer is very important. You want the soft rubber washer to protect the paint at all times. Let's see the clip. Oh, here we go. Remove, rotate, reattach, install. That's our first step. Found the right Allen key from our Cruise Tools kit. We are going to do exactly what this says, step by step. And simply unscrew both of these pieces. Come off simple enough. Rotate. And now we have our bracket to mount to in the back. Let's mount this puppy back on there. Get them started by hand. I'm not gonna get crazy and torque. I'm just gonna tighten it and give it an extra half a turn with our Allen key from the Cruise Tools kit. Get them as tight as we can by hand. Tighten them right up. Let's remove the rubber gasket. As you can see, we flip this around nice and sturdy. I'm gonna kind of show you guys where my stance is right now on the bike and why I'm doing an extended reach. Like I said, I'm 6'1". When I put my foot up on the pegs and I'm riding, you can see my knee just sits so far up. For me, it's uncomfortable. I feel cramped. I feel like I'm in there. I want to definitely do the extended reach. We'll do an after and you can kind of see the difference. Let's get our adjustable wrench from our Cruise Tools kit. I want to use a rag or something just to loosen up this back bolt. I'm going to try to reuse this if we can. So I don't want to scratch it, or if I resell it, I'm just going to put the rag over it to get it loose. It should come right off. Little washer should pop right off like so. And then the seat itself looks like it just has these 2 little hand bolts. Oh, they're not even very tight right now. Let's get these off. See what we're looking like under there. Those might fall right through. So the ground looks like. Hopefully we don't need these again. And the seat should just pop up and out, I believe. Easy enough. Just a quick little look at the table. This will be the last time we see this CVO ST seat. Say bye. You can clearly see the difference in the two seats, where I kind of stop sitting here and I have the extra 2 inches to just push back and be comfortable. Obviously it has the passenger seat as well, which is necessary if you want to ride somebody. Let's get this thing installed, see what it actually takes. Should slip right in and just bolt on, I believe. Now that we have the seat off, we're not gonna need these. This is for the single rider, so let's see if we could just pop these out. Looks like there's a little bracket underneath we might have to get out. And there it goes. We'll make sure to get that before we get the seat on. We're just gonna give it a little wipe down. Looks pretty clean in there, just in case we can't access any of this after. And then you want your washer. You want a nice rubber washer to make sure that when the seat moves around, that you don't scratch up any of your paint on the fender. Pops right on. Simple enough. You can see this bracket popping out that holds the gas tank cover. Should slide right into the slot here, and then we just bolt it down. Definitely want to make sure that that's in there. You definitely have to adjust it a little bit and get that little clip to slide into the blue section. I got it kind of started, and then once you get it in, you just want to get it where it needs to be. Bump it up a little. Make sure you go as tight as you can. And then we have our rubber gasket, and it looks like all we need to do is put our screw back in. So we found our bracket that fell. I put the little pieces back on, and when I resell the seat, they have all the parts they need to get it installed. I am going to keep the actual bolt just because it's branded and it's better looking than our Amazon one, which isn't bad either. It's just an all black, the same setup. We're going to stick with the Harley Davidson one. We're going to keep the washer from the original seat and simply make sure we're up as tight as we can be. Reuse the original bolt with the Harley branding. Get a hand tight, and then we'll give it an extra tighten with our Cruise Tools kit. So same thing, I'm just gonna use the rag so I don't scratch up the actual bolt itself. I'm gonna give it a few turns to get it basically as tight as it was without overdoing it. That's probably a half a turn. I want it to feel very snug. I don't want this thing sliding around at all. Yeah, that's very tight. I think I'm just squishing the rubber down at this point. Looks good. Super happy. I mean, just look at this thing. All black with the red script. So now with the extended reach, you can see we're back a little more. I feel like I'm more in the pocket. Feels great. When I have my knee up now, my leg's not all the way up here. It's kind of more pushed back where I need it to be. Feels great already. I can't wait to get out and try it. Definitely a cool upgrade. I can ride a passenger now. Can't go wrong with the Saddlemen seat. Let's take a closer look and see how it actually came out. Looks great. I still think this is up a little higher. I wanted the lowest profile seat I can get. That's why I went with the Profiler extended reach. You can see the little bump out from the saddlebag guards. I guess I'll have to just deal with that. Not the end of the world. But you do want some back support. When you hit the throttle on this thing and it goes, you need something there to kind of hold you in place, or you're holding on for dear life. Let's take a closer look at the seat itself, a closer view, overall look, and move on to the next upgrade. So you can see the bolt that we used and reused just has the cool Harley Davidson branding. And the stitching, look at the sparkle on the paint, just the black with that little red accent, to me is just a perfect touch without overdoing it. Matches the red everywhere. I couldn't be happier at the end of the day. I mean, I don't think there's another seat out there that would look this clean. Hopefully it's as comfortable as it looks. Here's an overall view of the bike. So far we're looking good. Just the simple red accents popping everywhere. I love it. So that's about it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Again, we have the Saddlemen seat installed. We have our saddlebag guards. We did the stage 3 speakers front and back. Things starting to come together. Let's see what our next upgrade is. I have a surprise for you guys. I already have something in mind. Stay tuned, follow, subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace, blessings, and positivity. Thank you guys for watching as usual. Can't wait to do the next upgrade. Stay tuned. Should be coming shortly.